Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today is the video that you've been waiting for a long time, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how you're gonna spend a really effective and fun and exciting summer holidays, at the same time improving yourself and relax, and maybe get a lot of cleaning in your life. I guess that's kind of useful, so let's get to the point without wasting our time. Let's get started with step one. Revise or write your goals. It depends if you already know them on the beginning of the year 2023, or you're gonna write them right now. It depends. And also, that's really important because that's actually your personal choices. So, your personal resolutions, I guess it's gonna be more effectively if you read them one more time. Tip number two, write down all your things you want to try or do or progress on in this period. For example, you want to improve your English, you're going to write improving my English. You want to study for the next year lessons, you're gonna put down on the list. So this is like how you're gonna see all the things and how you're gonna organize yourself as for every single day. At the same time, you're just gonna give it about 4 hours a day, and totally do everything, and day by day I guess you're gonna improve yourself at a certain point and you're gonna boost your confidence. Tip three, it's not a tip but a personal recommendation. If you already hadn't used Notion, is like a workspace when you can organize your stuff, schedules, homework, whatever it is, you can plan on doing that. Let me give an example on my Notion. So this is a page where I created for summer goals and activities that I want to do in this time. So here's like Korean classes or drawing classes and piano songs that I want to play during this time. So you may do the same things. Do a to-do list also may help you. A real simple paper and pen also can do the stuff. Tip number four, cleaning your space. I did already mention this at the beginning of the video, but the word of cleaning this your space doesn't mean just cleaning your room or your desk, but also cleaning how you organize your stuff on your computer, phone. You will delete all the things that you don't need anymore and replace everything to your goals that you're already set. And when you're organizing your desk, I guess you should take all the books that you already taken classes into and organize them, since you won't use it anymore, and dictate them on each topic. So wherever you want to review on them, you can do that.